Since J&M's first patented front-folding corner auger cart was introduced in the late 1980s, we've been designing and building innovative grain carts that help farmers maximize their operating efficiency. J&M offers 3 types of grain carts to suit your needs. All carts feature a front-fold auger design to allow 100% visibility during the folding and unloading sequences. J&M Grain Carts are built with heavy-duty driveline and gearbox components with larger diameter shafts, oversized gears, as well as the highest rated bearings in the industry. J&M carts are designed to quickly move grain under the most difficult circumstances. J&M's 12 and 22 series extended reach grain carts give you greater and straighter upward, outward, and forward reach. The inline auger design eliminates the need for costly and problematic U-joint and soft start type connectors, allowing the grain to quickly travel straight from the lower to upper auger. The patented leaner design on the 22 series carts features a bolt-on tank that extends an additional 2 feet toward the combine. This gives both the combine and grain cart operators more room to navigate while unloading on the go. .32 series extended reach dual auger grain carts combine the advantages of our single auger extended reach carts with the performance of a dual auger cart. Typical dual auger grain carts utilize costly belts, sprockets, and pulleys that cause problems and increase maintenance expense. J&M's 32 series carts feature a powerful direct drive design to maximize unload efficiency and performance. The low-profile tank provides maximum clearance for the combine, as well as a lower center of gravity for added stability over uneven terrain. Many competitor dual auger carts move grain from the tank to a sump and then to the unload auger. J&M's design places a vertical auger at the base of the horizontal auger, eliminating the need for a sump while minimizing the redirection of grain, which decreases grain damage and increases unloading efficiency. Choose from 3 undercarriage options: single wheels, walking tandem dual wheels, and tracks. J&M offers V4 or premium stabilizer track systems. Both tracks significantly reduce compaction and increase yields while reducing routine maintenance. Stabilizer tracks also feature a patented suspension system to diminish tank vibrations for a much longer tank life. Contact your local dealer or visit jm-inc.com to determine which grain cart is right for you.